Okay, so we have to have a hole that's this deep, because the other hole, the bottom of the roots, is right here. So we're a little short. I'm going to have to take a few more shovels out.
Back up, kids.
And then we're going to move it. Alright, so we're going to clip about 5 roots that are small.
So hopefully this is giving the students in this club the idea of how much work this is. So this really is not something that you would do on your own. You definitely need to have another person or people help you out. So make sure you don't just say, ask your parents, oh, can we do this? Can we move this tree?
There we go.
Because it's a really big job.
We have enough depth.
We had to plan out when our family could do this. Okay, we have enough depth.
And this is how tall it is. It's about
Pretty tall.
a little over my head.
Now, how did you figure out the depth that you needed to dig?
So we wanted the bottom of this root to be above here. So we wanted about this deep. And our hole is that deep. So we have an extra few inches.
Okay. All right, now here he is clipping some of the roots that are still hanging on. So even on a tree that isn't that big, you get an idea of the roots and how strong they are and how large they are down below. Oh! Better get back. Wow. Major project, kids. All you viewers at home. There we go. Now, if you could hold it for us once you get it out, I want to get a nice close-up so that we can be talking about the different names and the parts later on. So right now, this is just an observation.
Okay,
Thank you.
so we're going to go lay it down by its resource, where it's going to go, and we're going to get some compost. So do you want to film the compost?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. And here she is, filling the hole back in. Did you take your lollipop out of your mouth? Not very safe to be hands-free with a lollipop. So she's trying to get the big pieces of rubble and putting it in the bottom, way, way down. And then she'll fill in the rest of the hole with the fill dirt. All right. And I know that Dallas went over to get the compost.